Alright, in this workout, I'm just using the string skipping method. For example, I'm playing this A minor pentatonic shape, which is like this. So when I'm playing it, I will play like 5 8, but I'm skipping the fifth string note, which is the A, C, D, and E note. So I'm skipping the D and E note and directly jumping to the G and E, something like that. So this is the whole idea. I'm using the sixth string, fourth string, then fifth string and third string, then fourth string and second string, then third string and first string. So same way I'm coming back 1 3, and in the coming back I'm using 4 1, just opposite finger, like 8 5 7 5 on the third, then 8 5 on the second, 7 5 on the fourth, 7 5 on the third, 7 5 on the fifth, 7 5 on the fourth, 8 5 on the sixth. That's how it sounds like. Practice, learn better, and play better.